5. Can crime stopping be dangerous? A recent issue of Science Digest carried a very important article by Richard Conniff entitled 21st Century Crime Stoppers, Science Digest 90, number 8, August 1962, 60-65. The article deals with research into the prediction of crime. All of us are, to some degree, involved in the prediction of criminal or abnormal behaviour. We look at some of the neighbourhood youth and predict that some of them will come to no good end. Sometimes we are right. Sometimes we are very, very wrong. Now, however, we have scientists who believe that testing of various kinds will enable men in a generation or so accurately and clearly to single out the criminal in advance, long before he has committed any crime, and even estimate how many crimes a year that person will commit. It is proposed by some that such people be jailed or executed in advance of any such behaviour. American Civil Liberties Union lawyer David Landau has protested against this kind of thinking, stating, "Almost all social science studies show that you cannot predict the future criminality with any accuracy. There's also a constitutional objection. You're talking about punishing people for crimes they haven't committed." There is another important objection, the religious one. Basic to biblical faith is the doctrine of responsibility before the law for actual acts, not possible ones. The law must deal with actions to be just. Moreover, a person of 18 may show every indication of becoming a criminal, but later change. Perhaps the most vicious young hoodlum of 18 I ever knew, from whom no one expected any good, was converted soon thereafter, went to college, and became a prominent university professor. There are better ways of crime stopping than jailing or executing potential criminals. We need to begin dealing with the actual ones. Besides, what if many of us who are innocent of any crime flunk the tests of these social scientists? Or what if these tests reflect political overtones, and those of us who are critical of the powers that be are found to be potential criminals? This kind of crime stopping is not only dangerous, but is itself criminal.